Hello everybody and welcome to this video. You all know what it is if you've read the title. For 4 months now I have been trying to learn how to draw mostly canine type stuff like wolves or maybe dogs, but not really anything else. So yeah, and for the last 4 months I've also made this monthly series. However, I did forget last month and I'm sorry about that. I made month 1, month 2, forgot month 3. Now it's month 4. I'm gonna start where we left off, which was this one being unfinished at the time. Last time there was a bit, but no coloring or anything. Now it's done and the information is there. If you want to read the information, if you can read it, if you can see what it says. So I hope YouTube doesn't go after me for that word. The next one after that it's this one. Now it's just a drawing of a character I've made. I have shown her earlier though, so you can go back and watch an earlier video to see that. I think you can see it on month I don't know, I think month 1 I think, but maybe month 2, I don't know. But anyway, this is Sisa, spelled in a very weird way, which I did on purpose. I wanted a unique name, so it's spelled so her name is spelled very uniquely. X-I-double-S, the German double S, also called SZ, and then A. Yeah, it's I don't know if X's can make an S sound, but now they do at least. But now they do. The next one is this is a new character, and I've not given this character a name, but it has blue ears, and then yellow inside. I tried to make a unique eye color, but it didn't work, so I tried erasing the color. It didn't work, and so to make the color not be able to be seen, I had to color it very hardly. Like, not very hardly. I had to press down harder to make it so they couldn't see it, so it's a darker blue than the ears. And then it has a kind of thing around its neck, one of those thick, not thick, one of those things that is normally very long that you can take around your neck, but you can also use it for other stuff. I don't know what that's called actually, but I have one and I normally wear it. It's being washed right now. I decided to put one on this one. Other than that, blue is just my favorite color, so lots of blue on this one. For the next one, there is this. Now for this one, I tried to go with more of a realistic wolf. Tried to make the colors more realistic. It's hard to see right now, but there's a bit of brown in there too. I don't think it worked out. I accidentally added too much black on the tail. Well, there's a bit of black on the tail of wolves, but this is just way too much. If you want to, you can try and see the date. And for the next one, there's this. It's your boy Müller. That's the character's name, if you didn't know. This character is called Müller, and Müller is a very common German last name. This character is from Germany, the northern parts of Germany, in the Bundesland known as Schleswig-Holstein, which is the very northern part of Germany. It's actually, as far as I know, the most northern point in Germany. So, and that's around where it lives. It lives basically, if you know where the city of Flensburg is, basically take that and south of there. It doesn't go up into Denmark, but yeah. And it wears something around its neck. You can't see it, but it has a collar kind of thing, a necklace with the hanging in it. There is the Danish and German flag. Reasons for that? Well, you can go watch, I think it's video, again, don't know if it's 1 or 2. You can go watch month 1 or 2, I don't know which one it is. And there it more explains, but quick explanation, its parents are from those 2 countries. So it decided to have the 2 flags of the countries where its mom and dad is from. And it's also my favorite character that I've ever made. My personal favorite OC that I've made. So this next one was the first one I made after New Year's, so of course it has a big 2025 with the 2 being blocked by, again, it's Müller. There you can see the Danish and German flag. It's small But yeah, it's 2025. Now, I didn't have time to draw it around New Year, so if you look at the date, it's drawn from the 5th of 1st to the 11th of 1st. So from the 5th of January until the 11th of January. That's when I drew this. So yeah, I didn't have time around New Year's, as I said. I was home at my mom and dad's house and didn't really draw. So I had a break from the 19th of December to the 5th of January, where I didn't draw. But this next one, it's your boy Dakota with an updated character information sheet. Yeah, an updated character information sheet. If you can read it, you're allowed to. The date is down there from the 12th to the 14th, and I think it was quite good. I tried making the eyes point somewhere. If you try and look at the other things I've made, they don't really point to anywhere. But this one does, and I like it. I tried some new kind of fur on the side here. It's kind of the same as an earlier one, but different. But yeah, it's there. Now for the next one, this is the third time you would have seen this character. It's Coden, drawn from the side, which is not very good when the character is best seen from the front, or the back, or the top, or anywhere that's not directly from its side. If you want a refresher on who Coden is, and I totally understand if you need a refresher, since it's not a very memorable character. When only looking at from the side, it's pretty hard to know who it is. There. Is that a good enough refresher? I hope it is, because I'm not gonna give you another one. For this next one, I tried something new. 1. Drawing 2 wolves at the same time. Like in the same picture. 2. I tried drawing another person's OC in my art style. Here it is. How I draw my OCs, Müller, then Müller. How I draw others OCs, and then Coda. I hope I spelled Coda right. Coda is a character made by the very great animator Polar Summit. I've already taken inspiration from Polar Summit once. This time I just tried to draw one of Polar Summit's characters next to one of my characters, with a zigzag line in the middle. I actually think it turned out pretty well, and then tried some kind of simple background just to have a background. I think it looks good. As for the background colors, it's just colors that are on the characters, but the problem is they basically have the same colors. There's orange there, there's orange there. And what you know, there's blue there? The necklace is blue. There's gray. Oh wow, there's gray. Since Coda has colors from top to bottom, the different colors of eyes, and Müller has colors from the side, I took the eye color, blue on the top, orange on the bottom, brown to the left, orange to the right, and then for the other two I just gray, black. I think, yeah, that's red from the flags and from the ears, and that's blue, again, the color. So yeah, I tried something, and that's actually the newest one I've made. I've not really been so productive, but it's something. Now technically I have drawn 2 other things. That's because one of my teachers are leaving, and I've drawn 2 drawings for him. And if you want to see those, then sure, I can show those too. They're stuff that I've made, so I'll get them. Now, just a quick disclaimer, I've not finished one of them. The first one is not a wolf. Or the second one, technically. I'm just showing the second one first. It's a plane. How nice. This one is done. For the other one, which is a wolf, I've not finished it. I've not colored it, maybe making a background. But here it is. I need to color it, and who knows. Anyway, it's Müller yet again. As I said, he's my favorite character that I've made. So whenever I need to draw one, and it doesn't matter who I draw, and I haven't drawn Müller too much. I might have drawn Müller too much. The next one I'm drawing is not going to be Müller, that's for sure. That was 4 months of learning how to draw. So far I think it's going pretty well. I think it's going pretty well. And again, same as always, hope to see you next month, or next time I make one of these videos. Who knows, I might forget. I hope not. But anyway, See you in the next one of these videos, or maybe some other video on my channel. You can go watch it if you want. Anyway, goodbye.